going to shop. There she is. There she is. So this is a little heifer calf that guy in town gave me. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications, throw me a thumbs up, and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. Mama passed away. She's been losing condition. He's in no shape to bottle feed her, so she's feisty though. She had been snitching on the other cows a little bit. Not too much for taking a bottle. You can see I tried the bottle over here. She's a little excited at the moment. So we gotta go set up a pen for her. What do you think there, girly? What do you think? Shush! It's 23. She's kind of obnoxious. She was one of the heifer calves that was climbing through the fence on me until I put a row of electric on there and I fixed her butt. So the old cow shed, horse shed, whatever it was both. The cows were in it, the horses were in it, whoever wanted to be in it was in it. I didn't get a chance to tear it down, so I guess we're going to use it for the time being. Put up a couple pieces of cattle panel on there. I'm going to go find a 4-foot gate, see if I got some hardware for it. I'll put a 4-foot gate on there. Get a little hay in there and we'll get that little heifer up in here. It'll make a nice little condo for her. You're still in the same spot there, Chica. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Want to try a bottle? Huh? What do you think? Want to try that again? Still a little bit warm. Huh? Come on. Oh. Where's she going? Where's she going? All right, fine. I'll leave her alone until I get the pen set up. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, got one. This is the style that I'm looking for, not the pass-through style with the nuts on it, because in those railroad ties, you're not going to be drilling through one of those. You're probably going to hit something. Oh, what's in here? Look here. Mint. Perfect. Find a drill bit. We gotta figure out a name for you, don't we? What's your name gonna be? Skinny Minnie? All right, well, we got her in our little condo, our calf condo here. Made her a nice little bed of hay, let her calm down for a little bit. She's kind of coming around. She hasn't really been around people too much, so she's coming around. We'll go warm up that bottle, and we'll go put it in the water bath and warm it up a little bit more again. See if she'll take it. Might take her a little bit here, but she's getting a little curious, a little bit more friendly. My intention here is to, in a few days, try to get her I got a couple of cows that'll probably take her as a surrogate. But we'll get them put off over here in the bud box. See if I can get one to take her. She's getting all riled up. It's alright. Yeah, I know. All the cows want to know what that's about because that's a different calf. Okay. Cow yard finally starting to dry out pretty decent. Oh shit. Watch it. Better lift and curl in, eh? Apparently that tank's heavy enough to pull that excavator over on a little bit of a hill. Huh. Let's grab that. Oh yeah, it's a fucking mess in here too. So you know. See all that junk cleaned up. Yep. Time being, may as well just set it right on the pallet, that way I don't have to wrestle it onto the pallet later, because apparently it's pretty goddamn heavy and there is still some fuel in it. And no, it's not that old. Good enough. That'll work. We can spin her on there from there. Yeah? What do you think? Yeah, I'll do it. Pallet's a little bit bigger than I need, but that's alright. Oh yeah. Couple of ratchet straps on there. And I can stick it right in and out of the back of the truck. No problemo. We gotta fix the switch on it though. Bob was just using, he has it direct wired and was using jumper cables. And as you can see there, I'm not really good with that. But it worked. Go check on this little runt and see if she's settling down any. Maybe she's laying down, made herself a bed by now. Well, she's checking it out. Ain't there, girly? Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so that's enough for the excavator for the moment. I got stuff to do while it's still light outside. But that's the position we're going to have then. Obviously, we got to get the track off and all that stuff. We'll do that in a different video. Seriously, how does it get any better than that? We get this lawn filled in down here. Oh. We got a lot of it though. I think I gave her a little choke. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of impressed. I didn't figure I was going to be able to feed real large stuff into that thing, but it takes it. Primarily what I'm going to do won't be a lot of these popple limbs, although I do have a bunch that I can do, but we have a lot of tag elder brush. It doesn't have a lot of limbs on it, but it's real long, yay big around. I think this thing will eat that stuff right up, no problem. So, I like it. See how it works out.